Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, April 19. Jamaica and the Republic of Rwanda have signed two bilateral Memoranda of Understanding MOU aimed at formalizing joint activities and laying the groundwork for deeper engagement. The agreements were signed on political consultations and tourism during a meeting at the Office of the Prime Minister on Friday. The political consultations MOU creates a formal structure for bilateral discussions and explores the potential for future collaboration. The Tourism Development and Promotion Agreement will enable both countries to share best practices and experiences in all facets of the sector, to include rural and ecotourism. The Tourism MOU complements the Air Services Agreement signed in 2018 between Jamaica and Rwanda. Friday's discussions capped a three-day state visit by Rwandan President Paul Kagame. At a joint press conference, Prime Minister Andrew Holness revealed that the two countries were exploring avenues to expand economic and technical cooperation. Among the areas are agriculture, logistics, energy, health, culture, youth engagement, and special economic zones.
We must now strive to yield concrete benefits from these collaborations between Jamaica and Rwanda.
We should also work together on the global stage to advocate for policies of particular relevance to our people, and climate change mitigation is a notable example.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the Jamaica 60 celebrations are to be used as a platform to highlight the many positive achievements of the country and its people. He was addressing the official launch, which was held on the lawns of Jamaica House last week.
We must use Jamaica 60 as a platform to highlight the many positive achievements of our people. Not only our great music ambassadors and our world-beating athletes, but the many outstanding achievements of our educators, our scientists, our entrepreneurs in business and industry, our innovators, our thinkers, our activists, our advocates, our jurists, our artists, and so many others. Let us all use Jamaica 60 as the clarion call to come together as one people.
There will be an extensive program of activities during the Diamond Jubilee year, which started on January 1 and will culminate on December 31 under the theme Reigniting a Nation for Greatness. The launch took place on the same day the President of the Republic of Rwanda, Paul Kagame, arrived in the island for his three-day state visit. In an address delivered by his finance minister, President Kagame congratulated Jamaica on its achievements and expressed Rwanda's commitment to strengthening its bilateral partnership. New matron's quarters are to be constructed at the Hanover Infirmary in Lucy. Minister of Local Government and Rural Development Desmond McKenzie made the disclosure while on a tour of the institution recently. He says the previous facility was destroyed years ago, and the new quarters will provide a more comfortable working environment for the matron and other support staff. The minister adds that the infirmary's new kitchen is almost complete, and a therapeutic park will also be built to meet the physical, psychological, and social needs of the institution's 38 residents.
Once you would have completed the construction of the matron quarters and put in the therapeutic park, we would have completed our development of the Hanover Infirmary. Again, I must say that this is one of the better run facilities.
Acting matron Keon Dyer has welcomed the upgrades to the infirmary.
I know it's going to be of benefit to the residents, and of course the staff will have a more comfortable space working in.
The Jamaica Dairy Development Board, JDDB, has donated a mobile milking machine to the Signipagan Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics STEM Academy to boost its capacity and quality of dairy production. The equipment, which was recently handed over, is the first such device to be given to an institution on the island. It's expected to help in reducing the risks associated with milking cows by hand. Agriculture State Minister Franklin Witter says the machine will allow quicker extraction of milk, increase the capacity for milking more cows, and improve the safety and quality of the milk extracted.
This initiative by the Dairy Development Board to assist with the provision of a mobile milking machine is part of a greater thrust to make an impactful contribution to youth in agriculture, specifically through the targeting of agricultural institutions like the Sydney Pagan Agricultural Institution.
And finally, agriculture stakeholders will be provided with networking opportunities through the Agribusiness Virtual Forum planned for this Thursday, April 21. The forum is being organized by the Agri-Investment Corporation and will be held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. CEO of the Agri-Investment Corporation, Dr. Al Powell, says the event is also being held to position agriculture as a viable alternative to any other business.
To follow up with people's interests and get them to help realize their objectives in agriculture and to help them along the journey. And if we can do those four successfully with the information we have and with the technical people we have around us, we'll be on our way contributing greater to GDP.
The theme for the forum is Investment in Agriculture, Driving Food Security. Persons can register for the forum online at agroinvest.gov.jm. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.